Hi, I'm Allie, the founder of Stratia, and today I am here with Vienna. Liquid gold is a hot process emulsion, which means we take all the oil-soluble ingredients and the water-soluble ingredients, heat them separately, and then combine them after. The first creations of liquid gold, I had to figure out kind of how to scale that up from that to our oil phase in here. We've got our water phase in there. We're going to heat them both separately. Oil phases are ready to go. I've heated them both to around, they're at about 63 degrees. That's liquid gold. All we have left to do is bottle.